Y'all swear to God, bro. I ain't even. Y'all, hold on. Are you serious, bro? Some damn bullshit. About the damn tent. Much everybody got tent up this motherfucker.
Like, come on, bro. Like, I'm not even doing nothing wrong, bro. Okay, so here's
wearing my fucking tent. This shit ridiculous, yo. Okay. Yeah, I know what y'all doing. Y'all crooked out here, man. Like the fuck, like nah, fuck all that. Nah.
You know, your buddy's trying to make us as good as possible, but you ever hear running your mouth, it ain't no worse for you.
I ain't got nothing to do with it.
So you insert yourself in a situation.
Bullshit, power trips. That's what it is. This Gaffney police for y'all. Y'all worry about the wrong shit. This motherfuckers out here shooting motherfuckers, and y'all out here worrying about goddamn tent. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy as hell.
Welcome back to the channel, and today's video takes us to Gaffney, South Carolina, where the police seem to have so much free time that a slightly tinted window is enough to summon half the department, like they're responding to a manhunt. All because this man drove home with 17% tint. They managed to turn a tiny issue into a full-blown power trip parade, backed by arguments so ridiculous you can't help but roll your eyes. And when he simply tried to explain himself while standing on his own property, they threatened to arrest him for cussing. Yes, you heard that. Right, tinted windows and bad words are apparently high-level crimes now. Anyway, let's dive in and watch how a minor infraction somehow spiraled into an absurd comedy of ego and overreach. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment sharing your thoughts on this outrageous interaction.
Man, go ahead with that mess, man.
It's some bullshit, bro.
Man, his car is parked anyway. He's not even driving.
Bro, I just came from the store and Bo's still hot behind me.
Let me ask you a question. Are you part of this traffic stop? Are you in the car?
No, this is my house, though.
Okay, well then you can step back.
I can step back 10 feet just like the law says. There you go. That's enough space right there.
But you're not going to interfere with this officer and his stop.
I'm not interfering with nothing.
You are. You walked up on the stop.
Man, I'm on my property. Exactly. Some damn bullshit. Talking about the damn tent. Much everybody got tent up this motherfucker.
Like, come on, bro. Like, I'm not even doing nothing wrong, bro.
Okay, so here's
wearing my fucking tent. This shit ridiculous, yo.
Illegal.
Shit not.
Illegal. Whether you believe it's wrong or not, it's illegal. You see what I'm saying?
So if he bought the car like that, that's still illegal.
It's still illegal. It don't matter.
But he bought the car like that.
People still sell drugs and it's illegal. You see what I'm saying? People are still going to sell illegal tent. It's illegal.
That shit bullshit, yo.
This is how it is, man.
That shit straight bullshit.
Bro.
That shit straight bullshit.
Like, I pulled up to the crib, like, bro, like, I'm not even doing it wrong. I can get that shit all fixed and changed.
I understand this. Let me ask you a question. Were you traveling on the roadway?
Yes, I was just coming back from the store.
That's fine. You're operating a vehicle on the roadway.
So I have a question.
Tinted taillights, tinted windows.
How can you tell the shit tinted is illegal when he just not pulling it out? He just not pulling it
I
out.
can tell you right now.
Yeah, you tell me the taillights are tinted, yeah. You can tell that the windows are tinted too.
We can both tell you from our experience in this career that this is going to come back illegal, I promise you.
It's some bullshit to me.
The tent in South Carolina is the equivalent to a fishbowl.
Fishbowl?
You ever looked in a fishbowl?
Yeah, like my car, a fishbowl.
You can see right in it, right?
And you can see
right in that too.
No, you can't. Not to the equivalent of a fishbowl, my friend. It's illegal.
But y'all allowed to have tent and computers and everything in front of y'all car, in front of y'all when y'all driving though.
So my windows are tinted because I have a canine. Okay, so by federal law, that is mandated.
That's bullshit still.
Okay.
Oh, that shit's still bullshit.
The back windows can be as dark as he wants them to be, but the front windows cannot in South Carolina.
That shit's
If
still
you don't
bullshit.
like it, then move to North Carolina, buddy. I mean, I don't know.
That's still bullshit.
The window was down, so you can see who was in the car.
So is it illegal? Is it tent illegal?
Yeah.
Of course you're gonna say that. You ain't gonna show nobody.
He said, of course you're going to say it, but you ain't going to show it.
Would you like to come up here and look at it when I put the 10 meter on it?
Yeah, that would be nice. Because to me, it's some bullshit.
So legal tent in the state of South Carolina, 27%.
27.
Yes, sir. What's that say?
17.
Exactly. So it's illegal.
So why they sell 50% at the store then? Out here.
To make money. Why do drug dealers sell drugs? To make
What
money.
does drugs got to do anything with it?
It's got everything to do with whether it's illegal or not. People are going to make their money somehow.
But
right?
that's two totally different things.
It's
Drugs and tent is two totally different
Still the
things.
same concept, right?
No, they not.
Are
Drugs,
drugs, okay, let me
drugs
ask you
is
this.
different.
Are
Drugs
drugs
is different.
illegal? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
drugs illegal.
Okay.
Hey, yo, bro, this shit about to fuck me up.
People are still going to sell it. Okay?
This shit about to fuck me up.
5% tent, anything below 27% in South Carolina is illegal. They're still going to sell it. Whether it's
I still
illegal
think it's
or not,
bullshit,
who
though.
cares?
I'm just talking because, like, honestly, yo, I just want to be able to go back home. I won't even drive this shit no more. You feel me? Like
Me is bullshit. Cause all this time, now it's the tent. Man, we already know what y'all motherfuckers is out here doing, so
Do you?
yeah, I know what y'all doing. Y'all crooked out here, man. Like the fuck, like
come on, man.
nah, fuck all that. Nah,
You know, your buddy's
true.
trying to make us as good as possible, but you ever hear running your mouth, it ain't no worse for you.
I ain't got nothing to do with it.
Y'all give me a
When you
word or
insert
something?
yourself in a situation.
First name is Derek. man.
Damn bullshit. Power trips. That's what it is. This Gaffney police for y'all.
This officer was kind enough to still show you the tent, show you it was illegal.
That shit, they ain't got nothing to do with it.
Like, come on, man.
Still ain't nothing.
I'm working on some things, and I'm trying to get things straight in order, man. I promise you, y'all give me a ticket, I'll take care of this shit. D-E-R-E-K-G-R-D-D-O-N-S. April 13th, 1992. The registration is in my name.
Is it in the car?
No, it's not in the car. I know what the registration in the car. My mom, she got the insurance slip. It's in my mom's name. So, I don't know the company or anything. It's just, man, come on, I need y'all to work. I really need y'all to work. Because I'm trying to get everything in order, everything right for all. Because, like, this shit is not me. Like, y'all just write me a little ticket or something like that.
Everything that happens here is up to Officer me. Because he's the one that initiated the okay?
Yes.
So whatever he does is all on him. As far as everything goes. I can't speak for what he's doing.
Yo, I swear police worry about the wrong shit, yo. The wrong shit. Y'all worry about the wrong shit. This motherfuckers out here shooting motherfuckers, and y'all out here worrying about goddamn tank. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy as hell.
I want to do this shit. I promise you I want to do this damn car no more. Like, I just need to go back to the bed.
This is some bullshit.
I'm just starting to work on everything I need to work on, man. I just got the job, and that's me. Like,
I don't even know.
I've been there for like now 2 weeks. Like, this shit is terrible, bro. Like, I don't even get in trouble, bro. Like, I'm not even a fucking troublemaker. I don't smoke. I don't do nothing. I don't drink. Damn, bro. Come on, man. Can y'all work with me, bro? I need y'all to work with me, bro. I'm begging y'all, motherfuckers. Like, this shit is crazy, bro. I literally just made me some chicken salad and wanted some chips, something to drink. That's all I did, bro.
So my question is, so do y'all stop everybody with tent in your car, in their cars? You might as well.
No, it was like
You might as well. You might as well stop every car out here with tent then and check their tent.
When people aren't committing crimes, yes, we do stop cars. If they're doing something illegal, they get stopped.
I wasn't doing nothing illegal, but just.
I understand you don't feel that way, right?
But by the law, the tent is illegal, even though it's your personal property. How is that illegal?
And we're out here dealing with this because he wanted to insert himself in a situation, and now it's taking all of our manpower.
Actually, he's running whatever information he's running. Y'all talking. I'm saying whatever I'm saying. I ain't interfering with nothing. I can speak.
Nobody told you you couldn't, Bella.
I still think it's some bullshit. You might as well stop every car out here that got 10 in their car. If it's like that.
Bro, I ain't eating nothing yet today, bro. Like, this shit crazy, bro. I just been working out and everything. Like,
Might as well stop every car out here that got 10.
he didn't even turn his blue lights on until I was parked. So how is that even?
That's an illegal stop.
That's what I'm saying.
That's an illegal stop. That's an illegal stop.
Behind me, he could have put his blue lights on. I would have
That's the illegal stop then.
I can't speak for what happened because I wasn't there.
Like, I'm just sitting here like, come on, man. I'm going through
That's
too
an
much
illegal
already.
stop right there.
I'm going through too much already, and I don't need this on me right now, man. Do you believe this, bro?
It's some bullshit. Yeah, I know it's bullshit. You know it's bullshit. They know it's bullshit. They just don't want to admit it. That's all. You know it's bullshit. It's personal property. It's personal property. What does it matter if you don't see my car? You already can't look at my car without a warrant. What the fuck? What kind of shit is that? That shit retarded as hell. Like,
Bro, can you work with me? My mom has the insurance.
she at work right now. She is not going to send that. She is at work.
Yes, it is. Can you work with me, bro? I'm going through a lot of shit right now, man. Mom, can you send me proof of insurance of the car, please? I understand you're in the middle. She's in the middle of a meeting right now, as you heard.
That's for the insurance is free.
Who's the insurance group for the car, Mom? It's the guy.
Look at the other sucker ass nigga right there.
All the processes, like I'm already parked at the house. He didn't even turn the blues on until I was parked, and the car was off.
It's about the tent, Ma. It's about tent.
Bro,
Nah, she need to know.
I got you, Mom.
The fuck is this?
I got you, Mom. 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 I got you, Mom.
Yeah, a lot of cars for a tent. It's a lot of cars for tent. That's crazy. I swear you asked you like about 4 times already.
I had nothing in my car. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I don't do nothing wrong.
So fuck? Really though? All this for a tent, bro? Y'all crazy, y'all wild out here. Y'all is wild out here.
You gonna go to jail.
How am I going to jail for speaking?
If you cuss in public one more
In
time.
public? Are you,
Yes, sir.
Man, you hear this?
This is
Cussing in public?
Yes, sir.
Man, it's freedom of
called breach
speech,
peace.
Brody.
It's called breach of peace.
Breach of peace. I'm
Yes,
on my
sir.
property. I'm on my property.
If they can hear you in the public.
Ain't nobody out here. Ain't nobody out here.
He's calm and collective. I don't understand.
I'm calm. This is me calm. Trust and believe, I'm calm.
Okay.
This is me being calm. Well, I don't understand this motherfucking goddamn 2, 4, 6, 7 cops out here for 10.
Didn't I tell you not to cuss again? This is my last one.
These motherfuckers. Oh, for the God, bro. I ain't even. Yo, hold on. Are you serious, bro?
And there you have it, an entire circus over a layer of window tint. Instead of focusing on real problems in the community, they poured time and manpower into turning a minor infraction into a full-blown display of ego and authority. The sad part is, situations like this aren't rare at all, and the more we watch, the clearer it becomes how far law enforcement can drift from common sense and actual public safety. Hopefully, what happened today reminds people why recording, knowing your rights, and calling out this nonsense is so important. If this video frustrated you as much as it did me, make sure to drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more moments that expose this kind of behavior for what it really is. I'll see you in the next one.